We spent lots of time at our marae, lots of times around our cousins and around uncles and aunts and grandparents in the wider family and whānau. So what I remember is just being with lots of children and lots of people my age, lots of relatives around me. We all shared the same values. So if I remember as being a child, there was no such thing about this was mine and for me only. There was only a sense that this is what we had and it had to be shared with everyone. So those values about sharing, caring, are the things that I think that kept us safe in those times. So life was pretty much like that until we moved into the city. We moved back into Hamilton, into town, so we moved away from the marae and the community, and then we lived in town, and kind of the first thing I remember was it was just our house. Whereas, you know, living in a village and in a community, every house was your house. You know, you felt comfortable just to walk into any house and any door. Everyone was an aunt or an uncle or grandparent, whereas it was quite different for me when I first moved into town. I think I would have been around about 10 years of age, and everything was quite, you know, you had your fence and you stayed within it. So coming back into our communities and our villages, we still shared each other's roles, you know, cared about each other and things like that, but it was still done in an individual way. We try to do that now in my family a lot more. In my direct, so my brothers, my sisters and their children, we're very much so one unit. We've kind of gone back to the traditional kind of values of sharing and taking responsibility for each other's children, for each other. So if anyone's having hardships, we all kind of share and taking responsibility around how to support that. But I don't think it's ever the same as what it was when I remember growing up.